Hello, my name is Richard Varta and I'm the Customer Support Manager for TANDelta Systems. In this video, I'm going to explain the data that can be obtained from a TANDelta sensor and the value that this data will bring to your organisation through real-time equipment monitoring. The sensor outputs two readings from your oil, a reading for oil temperature and a reading for the oil condition. The oil condition reading is given in a value we have termed TANDelta number or TDN, and the oil temperature can be given in either degrees Celsius or in degrees Fahrenheit. This data can then be analysed in two ways. First, looking at the absolute TDN value. As each application type, such as an engine, gearbox or a hydraulic system, has a standard set of limits, you can determine if an oil is fit for purpose, if the oil is nearing the end of its life, or if the oil requires some attention. As the oil is used, it will wear and degrade. Using the sensor data, the oil can be changed only when the oil has reached the end of its usable life. Typically, this means at least a 30% increase in your maintenance interval and a significant saving in cost. The second way to analyse the data is by looking at the behaviour of the TDN value over time. By utilising a set of simple algorithms, you can identify anomalies in the data which indicate specific failure modes, such as water ingress or particle contamination. This will enable you to set up warnings to stop and investigate the source of the contamination before further damage occurs to your asset. These simple algorithms are embedded into a number of our products, such as the Display Express supplied as part of our Sense2 kit, but they are also readily available if you plan to integrate the sensor into an existing ecosystem or your own software platform. It's the combination of the absolute TDN value and rate of change behaviour analysis which delivers the maximum value from the sensor. Now we'll take a look at the data displayed on the TANDelta Sense2 kit. The Sense2 is designed for a standalone installation on any equipment. It's rugged and has an easy to read display, even in direct sunlight. In the top left hand corner of the display, you can see the TDN displayed. This value shows you the overall condition of the oil for your equipment. The TDN limits change based on your application, and these limits can be found on our website and in our documentation. Below TDN, you have the oil temperature, which is displayed in your preferred scale of either degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit. The top right-hand box displays the days to the next service. This tells you how many days you have before you'll need to change the oil, based on the rate at which the oil condition is changing. The bottom right box is dedicated to displaying any event codes identified by the system. If the sensor identifies that the oil is not performing as expected, an event code will be displayed, and a full list of event codes is available on our website and in our documentation. In the event that any of the data on the display generates either a warning or an alarm, the traffic light in the top left of the display will change colour and event code will be shown. The TANDelta sensor can also be deployed as part of our Mobile Oil Test Kit or MOT kit. This kit is portable and is designed to be used by field engineers, allowing them to gain instant insight to the condition of oil without always needing to send the oil to the lab. The MOT kit instantly generates a report which contains all of the relevant information for the test which has been done. There are details about the equipment, oil hours, the TDN value, remaining useful life, estimated remaining hours, as well as the result from the visual inspection. All of this data is summarised into a simple to understand visual icon, as well as observation and recommendation box, ensuring that it is very clear what additional steps are required over and above just monitoring as usual. As you'll take multiple samples from this equipment over a period of time, the software will collate the history and build a data trend graph, and also a table which shows all of the samples which have been recorded for that asset. The report can then be exported as a PDF or copied into the clipboard for pasting into your existing systems. Monitoring and using the data the MOT kit provides will enable you to accurately monitor your oil condition and change the oil only when it needs to be changed, saving money and labour, as well as reducing unnecessary downtime. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful to understand how data obtained from a TANDelta sensor can add value to your business through real-time equipment monitoring. If you need any further information, please do contact us or visit our website at tandeltasystems.com.